So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel a PayPal transfer to bank. So starting off, you really can't cancel a withdrawal or transfer from your PayPal account to your bank account once it's submitted. So it's really important that before PayPal processes the request that if you've made a mistake, it's really important to understand that you have to wait for the transfer to clear or contact your bank for additional help with that. So starting off, a standard bank transfer takes 1 to 3 business days to finish processing. So from that point, you can contact your bank and get a hold of their support team immediately to see if they can stop or reverse the incoming ACH transfer or deposit, and you can transfer funds back. So once the money lands in your bank account, you can manually send it back to your PayPal balance. So that's also an option if you have already made up your mind you have to have that money on your balance right now. So once it clears and it gets to your account, you can just go and send it back, and you can get more information within either the resolution center that PayPal uses, which is going to look something like this once you log in with your account to it. So you can maybe try to reverse that decision, or you can just contact your bank, which is the best way to do that, to see if they can do something to help you out with that, with the cancellation of that transfer. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.